Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. Children, in this video, we are going to discuss about the formation of molecules in covalent bond. Now, we will discuss the formation of fluorine molecule. Take two fluorine atoms which form a stable molecule. Each fluorine atom contributes one electron for bonding, and the electron pair that is formed in this way is mutually shared by both the fluorine atoms. Each atom in fluorine molecule has an octet of valence electron. In fluorine atom, you know the electronic configuration of fluorine atom. 2, 7. In the valence shell, it has 7 electron. It need 1 electron to get octet. So if we take the another fluorine atom also, it need 1 electron to get octet. So both fluorine atom comes together and combine together and form and share the electron pair between them and form covalent bond between fluorine atoms and forms fluorine molecule. In this way, in covalent bond, fluorine molecule is formed. So now understand children, the chemical bond formed between two atoms by mutual sharing of pair of valence shell electrons so that both of them can attain octet or duplet in their valence shell is called covalent bond. Now we will discuss the formation of oxygen molecule. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6. You know the electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6. Oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its valence shell. It requires 2 more electrons to get octet in its valence shell. Therefore, oxygen atom come close and each oxygen atom contributes 2 electrons for bonding. Thus, there exist 2 covalent bonds between 2 oxygen atoms in oxygen molecule as there are 2 pairs of electrons shared between them. So, we can say the double bond is formed between 2 oxygen atoms in oxygen molecule. So, each oxygen needs 2 electrons. So, 2 oxygen atoms combine together and share the 2 pairs of electrons between them and form oxygen molecule. It is called double bond. 2 electrons pair shared between the oxygen molecule now. So, it is double bond. Now, we will discuss about the nitrogen molecule. The electronic configuration of nitrogen, you know, 2, 5. In the valence shell, it has 5 electrons. To get octet configuration, it needs 3 electrons. So, when 2 nitrogen atoms approach each other, each atom contributes 3 electrons for bonding. There are 6 electrons shared between 2 nitrogen atoms in the form of 3 pairs. Therefore, there is a triple bond between 2 nitrogen atoms in nitrogen molecule. So, nitrogen share the 3 electrons with another nitrogen atom and form nitrogen molecule. Triple bond is formed in the nitrogen molecule. Children, now we observe the methane molecule. The formation of methane molecule, the carbon contributes 4 electrons to 4 hydrogen atoms. 4 hydrogen atoms contribute 1 electron each. So, in carbon valence shell, it has 4 electrons shared the 4 hydrogen molecules and 4 pairs of electrons shared between the carbon and 4 hydrogen molecules. So, the methane molecule, 4 covalent bonds formed. Now we observe the ammonia molecule. In ammonia molecule, 3 nitrogen-hydrogen single covalent bonds are present. The electronic configuration of nitrogen, you know, it is 2, 5 and the hydrogen is 1. So, nitrogen atom contributes 3 electrons for bonding. 3 hydrogen atoms at the same time contribute 1 electron for bonding. 6 electrons form 3 pairs and each pair is shared between nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. So, the nitrogen contributes 3 electrons to 3 hydrogens and 3 hydrogens and nitrogen combine together and form ammonia molecule. Now we observe the water molecule. In water molecule, there are 2 oxygen hydrogen single covalent bonds are formed. The electronic configuration of oxygen, you know children, 2, 6. Hydrogen is 1. So, oxygen atom need 2 electrons to attain octet in the valence shell. Therefore, it shares 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms to form water molecule. So, oxygen shares 2 electrons to 2 hydrogens and 2 bonds between hydrogen and oxygen, and the water molecule forms. The total number of covalent bonds that an atom of an element forms is called its covalency. Remember children, total number of covalent bonds that an atom of an element forms is called covalency. Now we will observe what is bond length. Bond length or bond distance is equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two atoms which form a covalent bond. Bond length means the equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two atoms which form a covalent bond. It's generally given in nanometers or angstrom unit. Now, what is bond energy? We will observe. Bond energy or bond dissociation energy is the energy needed to break a covalent bond. The energy needed to break a covalent bond between two atoms of diatomic covalent compound in its gaseous state. It is called bond energy or bond dissociation energy. I hope you understood very well about covalent bond and formation of molecules in covalent bond. For better understand, you can go through this cartoon video and have fun, children.
Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh.
Hmm?